Hi, handsome. Taking a bath. Oh, who likes to splash? Hi. Hi. Who likes their bath time? Oh, there's your book. Oh, read your book. Read your book. Oh no, it floated away. Here, I'll help you. There you go. Does that book taste good? Does that book taste good? Oh, is that Mr. Crab on the wall? See all his stuff? Oh, big splash! Oh, you got yourself in the face! Oh my goodness! Oh no, you're splashing my camera. Hi! It was the toast.